You probably think you know a little bit about e-commerce. You probably think that you could pick a winning product for Amazon. But can you? Well, in this video, we're going to play a little game and I'm going to show you with evidence just how hard it is to do that. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make more accurate decisions about your Amazon business, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We post brand new information each and every day. All right, let's get into it. Amazon has got its own internal test thing through Brand Registry, but it's actually shit, so don't use that. You can use, however, pieces of software. So let's talk about the software you can use. So this is Pickfu, and it's my favorite testing software, okay? Right off the bat, it is $50 for 50 experiments, okay? So if you put one experiment up, you'll get 50 different responses to that experiment. And how the experiments work is what we do is we say, given that there's two images for our long spout kettle, which image will get the most sales for us? Which image will get the most sales for us? Let's play a game. Cool game. I love these games. I always get these wrong, okay? So don't be like nervous about participating, but it's fun to play. Here's two different Amazon hero images. Two different Amazon hero images. Option A on the left, option B on the right. Which option do you think was the most popular when they ran this as a split test? So have a look at this one. Do you like this one? Have a look at this one. Do you like this one? Which one do you think won this particular split test? Was it A or B? You can type into the chat if you don't want to kind of unmute yourself. Maybe that's a better option. A for you. Lots of A's. Mr. Smithers is B. Brent is A. Brad's B. Some B's coming in now. Ooh, it's a pretty even split, 50-50. I love your work. Okay, well, here's the result of that. Option B massively outperformed option A, okay? And so the big thing I want you to take away from this is we don't know shit. We should put these things to the test in the marketplace. Let's try again. This is a packaging test, so you can test packaging. I do this friggin' heaps. It's awesome. Option A, packaging on the left. Option B, packaging on the right. Which one won this test? B. B, B, B. Mr. Tormey, B. Mr. Basto, B. Anybody got an A? A. Mr. King. Okay. Boom. Option B, kicked ass, absolutely crushed that test, okay? Another one, and then I'm going to show you one very, very important one that made millions of dollars. So this is obviously baby clothing. Option A, option B. What do you reckon, folks? B's, A's, again, splits more interesting. C! It's a sea of stuff! All right, so that's you wouldn't think fundamentally, I mean, it's just there's nothing different about the product. It's just a different in layout of the hero image. Killed it. Option B, much, much better. Much, much better, okay? All right, so here's why this is so important. Here's why this is so important. What do you reckon here? Option A, option B? B, A, B, B, A. Oh, again, lots of A's. A's, 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 B, B, B. So this is actually a real test. I mean, they're all real tests, but this is a very important test. Here's why. This particular business was purchased by an Amazon aggregator called Thrasio, and they paid 1.5 and change million for that particular business, and they had originally got option A as their hero image. Thrasio got to work and split tested lots and lots of hero images, and it turns out option B was far, far better. Now, they did that not just with images, but also with title, also with price. With most things on the Amazon product details page, they split tested them in this way. They took that business from having a valuation of 1 point change up to 18 million in 2 years. That is the power of split testing. That's why it's so important to test our assumptions about things rather than going on. Because I'm the same, whenever he shows me these, I always get them wrong. Like always. I always pick the wrong one. Very embarrassing. So it's good to test our assumptions about that so that we actually get the right thing for our customers. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing and largest community of e-commerce entrepreneurs, Amazon entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with over 2,600 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and of course come along and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.